Everyone, I am Dr. Khushbu Agarwala, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist, working in my own clinic, Dermacity Skin Clinic and Hair Restoration Center, situated at Christian Basti, Guwahati. Today I am going to brief you all about fungal infections. Fungal infections have become a very common skin problem nowadays, which presents to us as reddish, circular, very itchy lesions, usually seen mostly in the covered areas like the groin, the underarms, the area under the breast, but nowadays has become commonly seen spreading all over the body. It is a contagious disease, so it might spread from you to other family members, or you might contact it from other family members, or it may spread to different areas of your body also very fast. And because we live in a very hot and humid climate where sweating is more common, this spreads more rapidly due to sweating. So it is very important that we recognize the disease at an early stage and consult our local skin specialist to get disease. Now today I am going to explain you certain precautions and certain measures to be taken to contain the disease or to prevent the occurrence of the disease. Like we should wash our clothes regularly, and after washing the clothes it's very important to iron them so that we can kill the germs in the clothes. Also, it is very important to change your undergarments twice a day possibly. We should bathe regularly, and after bathing we should at least give 10 minutes under the fan to dry our body before wearing the clothes. Again, most important, we should avoid sharing our clothes, our towels, our personal belongings, hairbrushes, etc. with other people, because we do not know who is suffering from the disease, so we might contact the disease from them. Again, very important is, like when we use public toilets, is important we sanitize or disinfect the toilet seat before sitting on it. Then the next precaution to be taken is, like when we go gymming and all, it's very important that after we sweat we take a bath immediately so that the sweat doesn't accumulate and we don't contract the infection. And again, one more very important thing I would like to tell you is, we have a practice of over-the-counter medication, which means that we tend to take an ointment from somebody in the home or from the pharmacy to get relief. Now these creams which we are using, they are usually steroid combination creams. So when you start using, you feel a temporary and instant relief, but it doesn't take away the disease. It will just give you a temporary relief. So it's very important that when the disease starts, at that point itself you visit your dermatologist to get rid of the disease permanently. This much for today. We'll come again with more such videos.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.in.